Hi, so I'm here with my class, and I was hoping that you could explain to us what a rational number was.
Yes, that's a pretty easy question because you've probably seen rational numbers all the time. A rational number is a number that can be made into a fraction easily, like 2 is just 2 over 1, or 3 is 3 over 1. So any fraction is going to be an irrational number. So if you take anything that can be squared is also a rational number. So like 4, since that's a perfect square, like the square root of 4 is 2, those are all going to be rational numbers. So any perfect square is a rational number, and just anything that can be easily made into a fraction is a rational number. Alright, so does that make some sense?
Yes. So if that's what a rational number is, then what's an irrational number?
That's when things start to get a little bit more difficult. An irrational number is going to be something that can't be made into a fraction. So numbers that aren't perfect squares, now not always, but generally are going to be irrational numbers. Or anything where the decimal version of it is repeated indefinitely, like pi, for example. It just goes and goes and goes and goes and goes forever. But it's confusing because if the decimal places ever do repeat perfectly, like let's say you have 2.63636363 and the 6 and 3's just repeat forever, that's going to be a rational number because that can be made into a fraction. But if it goes and it's never going to repeat perfectly, it just continues, that's going to be irrational. Alright? So that's pretty much the basics of rational and irrational numbers, because it's just whether or not they can be made into fractions perfectly from their decimal conversions. Alright, does that make sense?
Alright, thank you. That was really helpful.
Alright, you're welcome.